Hello and welcome to another episode of 5-Minute Dissertation Diaries. My name is Marty Scholes and today is Sunday, August 21st, 2022. Not a lot happened this week. I was mostly focused on catching up at work and getting prepared for my new class. In fact, on Wednesday I prepared for the new class. I posted details. On Thursday I posted some information to the class, got all teed up for that. On Saturday I attended a GCU webinar and they told me to reach out to IRB and ask what's happening. I found out that on Saturday that it looks like my IRB approval is imminent. I replaced one reference with a newer one. I replaced another reference with a newer one. And then today I haven't gotten anything done. So I believe my IRB approval is coming real soon now. Let's hope so. If that's the case, then I'll actually start to be doing data collection in the coming week or two. That would be just fantastic. That's where I'm at in a holding pattern right now, getting caught up on work and home stuff. Hope you're doing well. Take care.